This is a van, which is a plug-in hybrid, a camper van plug-in hybrid. It's not the first one of its type. Dethleffs produced one a couple of years ago, but all the same, it's here at Caravan Salon. It's one of very few. And this is 97,385 cents. Sorry, 97,300 euros and 85 cents. Oh, you can get it here for 79, but you have to get in pretty quick, and by the time we get this published, you'll have to go back in time. This has a tent in the roof and looks just the same as nearly all camper vans. Okay, this company's MTC Biella plug-in hybrid. They're in a place called Bingen am Rhein, which is to the west of Frankfurt. 2 burners, a sink, there's a fridge down there. As I'll be in Frankfurt next week, I said to them I could come round and film it at their place, but they didn't seem to be too interested, so I won't be doing that. Now, presumably if you want to get into the fridge or these drawers, you'll have to put the seats back. Either that, or there's some way of opening it, which I am currently unaware. Okay, the finishing looks quite nice, but let's face it, you're gonna have to use it a lot to recuperate the cost, the difference between the plug-in hybrid price and the normal diesel engine price, or petrol as the case may be. Right, so look down the back as well. That's quite clever. This bit here comes out. Well, it's a window, isn't it? And there you've got there's thing for the outside shower, which is probably in there. No, it isn't. Could they go in there? This one's broken. What's that? There's the shower. Sorry. There we go. Found the outside shower. But you know, at the end of the day, it is a camper van, or car, I should say, with which you can sleep in. It's got electric hookup. And right, so it's a plug-in hybrid on a Ford basis. Not many around, but I suppose we'll be seeing more. What I really want to see, of course, is one of these, a plug-in hybrid on something like that, on that Biella Grande. That is what I am hoping to see before long. And as you see, MTC Freizeit DE, MTC Camper. Thanks for watching.